Hello Jay, hope you are well. So by the way, still I am waiting your Notion invite, so it's okay, no problem. So I am sending you this template link. You just duplicate in your Notion account. The purpose of recording this video, I want to show you what I have done that help you to organize your Notion project. So first of all, this is main dashboard, client, project and task manager. So here you can see quick action like new project, Kanban by status, priority task, board by client and date calendar. So this is like a admin task. Here you can see three options, like this is new not started task. This is the here you will check out in progress task. Here you will see complete task. If I open this, so here you see this is new project, task name, client, due date, priority and like low, medium, high, status. This one choose, then professional, attendance, related files and status and so more. Here meeting notes like date, attendance, agenda, key point, action item, follow-up, signature and so more. So when you select their status in progress, so this task automatically move in progress section. When you select complete, so it will automatically complete in section. Here is the quick action. When you click this new object button, so new project will be open. And let's move here. This is Kanban status. Here like you can see this one best step by step, like booking name. If I open this, so here I can see like attendance, John Smith, client, due date, priority, professional and so more. You can go through every step. Then second is priority task. Here you can see like here to do task, in progress task, waiting for professional task, completed task. Like if I open this one, here you can see, so this, and you can duplicate everything. Then board by client, like here's the client data, like task name, client, due date, professional, priority and so more. Then this is calendar. So I have set up the calendar section. You can check out your calendar task and so more, and you can go through these quick action. So know how you will duplicate in your Notion account. So like here I'm going to copy this link and open in new browser, yeah, new tab. So when you paste this link, so you will see a similar this. Just wait few seconds, and when you see this in your system, you need to go in paste section. Here you will see a paste section. Like if I'm going here, open here and paste here this Notion template link. So when this template will be open, so here you will see this like duplicate. You just you, by the way, carefully you need to open where your Notion account have been login. So just duplicate it, so it automatically transfer in your Notion account. Then you will be able to change something according to your need. So after check out this Notion template and watch this video, then let me know if you have any question and if you need any changes something. Thank you and bye bye, take care.